So it's been a very interesting year in terms of, for example, getting new markets like Asia Pacific interested in our services. We still have a strong franchise in the States, across Europe, but I'd say Asia Pacific is our biggest growth area. That's an interesting market for us because you've got firms there who have historically continued to use bundled commissions to pay for research, haven't had the regulatory overhang that the MiFID II territories have had. And those businesses are now seeing this as an opportunity to reassess best practice, look at how best to manage their businesses, and basically cherry picking the best options from what the States is doing and what MiFID II territories are doing to reshape their businesses. So we're doing a lot of work in those areas in particular. We see certain common trends. So, for example, I think the global trend is towards more sophisticated use of data in terms of the evaluation process, like interactions. There's certainly a trend towards using systems to help define the cost and the value of services that firms are consuming. However, I think there's a lack of commonality in terms of funding, for example. Some of the headlines will suggest that the UK going P&L is seen across the world. That's certainly not the case. We see firms across Europe, for example, continuing to use the customer charge model, commissions, or the accountancy method. And then similarly in Asia Pacific, as I touched upon just now, firms continuing to use commissions as the overwhelming way that they're going to pay for research. I think we're going to see a hybrid in terms of the funding models. I don't get the sense that the US is going to go P&L overwhelmingly, maybe the largest firms. I think we'll continue to see differences of funding model. The commonalities, as I touched upon, are more around systems and processes and getting more logic and science behind pricing research. IHS Markit has been involved in the research evaluation business for about 10 years. We have solutions that help the buy side and the sell side around evaluating research, trading, operational services. We've also got a product which helps firms to source research, also to help them with some of the specific MiFID II requirements like managing RPAs. And we've also got a good, strong history in CSA administration. We have a virtual CSA management product.